So some photographers say that their tips are the best. Well, these are my top tips for that perfect sunrise. Greetings all, and today's little adventure is sunrise. And the thing is, we've all done sunrise and we all love doing a sunrise, but you know one thing that people always forget to do, and which is tip number one: check the weather. So yeah, use any app that you're really going to want to do, whether it's on your phone or your computer. There's certain things that you're going to look out for depending on the sort of sunrise shot that you're actually going to be doing. So if you want obviously just the sun rising, then obviously you're not going to want any cloud cover. But as what I'm doing today, I want cloud cover because it does give like orange and purples amongst the cloud, which gives a total different look than just plain horizon with the sun. So weather checked, kit ready, let's go. Second tip for you: arrive nice and early. You don't want to miss it. Don't use auto white balance. You want to use shady or cloudy, which brings out nice warm tones. Shooting in the blue hour, about ISO 400. On the actual sunrise itself, 100 is brilliant. Aperture, f14 if you want to get that star look to the sun, or f6 for the faster shot. Be patient, don't leave too early because you could miss something. And if you're actually shooting in the blue hour, this is your best friend. If your camera's struggling to focus, you can actually shine the light onto the object, focus, job done. there we go. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I hope you found them tips really, really useful. And I'm going to say thank you to John as well, because Mr. Lensman Online there has really inspired me to use my lens ball again, and I'm so enjoying it. So thanks for John for getting me into that again. Another adventure to the end. More stuff coming up. Yes, I've got a bucket and spade prop to use. I've got some flour to use, and I've got some other bits and pieces coming up as well. So hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. See you soon.